Yoga. It is more than just a word. It's a practice and a way of life. From India, where yoga was born, a timeless gift that connects body, mind, and breath. Across borders and beliefs, we breathe as one. In 2025, India brings yoga to the world stage at the World Expo in Osaka. In the land of Zen, yoga finds new energy. 6 months of unity, movement, and mindfulness. Be part of this global celebration. Register now. Step into the India Pavilion. Discover yoga and the science of life.